Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. Today's video is going to be my November Boxycharm unboxing video. It was such a hassle to get this month's box because they put it in my parcel locker in my neighborhood and then they just took it to the post office, so I had to go pick it up a week later. So anyways, I am very excited to dive into this month's box. The first item that we got in this month is this by SkinFix. This is the SkinFix Resurface Plus AHA / enzyme exfoliating pads, and it has AHA in it, glycolic acid, lactic acid blend, salicylic acid, niacinamide, and fruit enzyme blend. And I did open this before I started filming, and it does have like kind of a strong fruity smell. I'm kind of afraid to put it because I'm scared it's gonna sting my face, but I'm just gonna like wipe it very lightly on my skin. And this says that it helps with dark spots. It helps brighten, it helps to retexturize your skin. Like if you have textured skin, which I do have. So it doesn't stink, so that's good. And you can also use it on your body. So if you have, I forgot what they call it, but like if you have like bumps on your like arms and back, you can also use it on there. So I just used it now. I don't know, I might use this like once a week. This reminds me of the First Aid Beauty pads. They have pads like this too that has like AHA and stuff, and they use it as like exfoliating pads. This kind of reminds me of those, so I don't know if it's gonna work because those First Aid Beauty ones didn't really work for me, but I'll just try using it once a week and hopefully it will help clear up all these dark spots that I have here. Like, I don't know why, but my chin is just so prone to dark spots. So I'm gonna just incorporate this in my skincare. By the way, I am wearing this this Stronger Than Cancer shirt. It is for breast cancer. I know Breast Cancer Awareness Month is October, but I just wanted to wear this. It's so comfy and I just love it so much. So the next item that we got is this brush cleaner by Bodyography Pro. I did use these to spot clean my brushes, and this was very good. This brush was super dirty, and I just sprayed this on there and I used a paper towel and wiped it, and it cleaned my brush. So I really love spot cleaning brushes because I feel like you cannot deep clean your brush every single week. So for me, I do spot clean a lot with my brushes, and I deep clean like every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. But I think this is a great product. Like, this cleaned my brush really nicely as well, and I did use it on my bigger brushes for my bronzer, and it really like just cleaned everything. So I do like this, and I definitely will be using this to spot clean my brushes. On to the makeup aspect. First product that I got in the box is the Beaute Eyeshadow Amplifying Base, and I got mine in the shade Deep, and it just says before eyeshadow you just use it as a primer. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in because I'm going to be doing my eyes. This is what it looks like, and I think like Kathy Lights was saying, it reminds her of the P. Louise base. I've never tried the P. Louise base before, so I don't know if it's good or not, but the thing I would say with this is that it is kind of not drying. Maybe I put too much. Let me just keep spreading it with my finger. Take my One Size powder by Patrick Star, and I'm just gonna set my lids with that just to make sure it doesn't like crease or anything. Alright, so I just set everything down. And we got this Violet Voss eyeshadow palette in the box. It is so pretty. I saw Kathleen Light's unboxing before doing my video, and it's so beautiful. And these are what the shades look like. I just really like these. Are like my types of shades that I like to wear on my eyes. Today I was gonna go for pink, but today I think I'm gonna go for like really purple. So I'm gonna focus really on these two shades. I think I'm just gonna apply this whole color all over my eyes. Also, we do get brushes from Luxie. These are so cute. I love getting brushes in Boxycharm because I feel like I don't go out and buy brushes that much. Just love it when we do get brushes. So I'm going to be trying these as well. So I'm just gonna zoom this part through. So I really like this. This is so pretty. Like this, I don't have any purples like this, like lilac, that's the name. That's even the name of the eyeshadow. I don't have any purples like this in my collection. At least I don't think I do. But I really love this. This was super pigmented. I'm wondering if it was the base that helped the color really show, because usually light colors like this, they take a lot of blending and a lot of building up on my skin tone to work. So I don't know if it was the base that helped or if it's just this is a really pigmented palette. But I really love that lilac color. And these brushes from Luxie, this brush from Luxie is so easy to use. I really love it. I love Luxie brushes anyway. I'm going to finish off the rest of my face and I will be right, guys. So I am back with my full face of makeup done, and I really loved using this palette. I feel like the whole look came together very well. I feel like I look super dewy, very glowy, and that just happens now with my skin. Any foundation I apply to my skin just looks super dewy automatically. So I don't know what's up with that, but I really like the makeup look. Let me just show you guys close up what it looks like. I love like lilac purple colors, so this is such a beautiful eye look, and it's only 2 eyeshadows. I really love this month's box. There's not one thing that I'm like ugh about. I liked everything. And let me tell you guys the total for this month's box. So the total for this month's box is $160.99, and of course, like if you were purchasing these, you'd pay taxes. But I really love this box. I'm very happy with this month's box. If you don't have Boxycharm and you're someone who likes to try new makeup and stuff, I would definitely recommend getting it. I paid $26 a month and I got $160 worth of makeup. So thank you so much for watching. This is it for this video. Please make sure you are subscribed and you give this video a thumbs up. And thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.